We are going to end the work week with stormy weather persisting over the eastern parts of the Free State and the northwest, extending eastwards into Gauteng, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, and the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. Rainy weather is forecast along the east coast. Sunny skies are expected over the western half of the country, where afternoon temperatures are going to be very hot over parts of the northern and western Cape. Now, up to a 40% chance of precipitation is forecast wherever you see that light shade of blue. A 60% chance of rain along the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas, and a 60% chance of thunderstorms across the northeastern interior. A warning is in place for extremely hot afternoon temperatures across the West Coast District, where temperatures will easily reach and exceed 40 degrees in those areas this afternoon. We also have a watch for heavy rains across the eastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Rainfall amounts here will reach and exceed 50 millimeters in the next 24 hours. Here's a look at top temperatures for this afternoon. Temperatures will peak at around 40 degrees for Uppington and Vredendal, hot as well in Springbok, the mother city 32. A bit cooler along the Eastern Cape coastal areas, where temperatures will lie in the upper 20s. 28 for the high in Durban, the same for Joburg, Pretoria 30, the same for Mahikeng and Bloemfontein, 27 in Polokwane and 26 in Mbombela. Here's a look at coastal conditions. We are expecting good beach conditions from Alexander Bay down into Lambert's Bay, but strong winds are going to keep beach conditions fairly poor around the Langaban area. Fairly strong winds are also forecast from the False Bay area into the Atlantic side of the Cape Peninsula, and we are expecting swell heights just off the southwest coastline to average around 2.5 meters. Poor beach conditions are forecast from Jeffreys Bay into Port Elizabeth thanks to the strong easterly winds forecast in those areas. Lastly, a look along the east coast, where poor beach conditions are going to persist here thanks to the cloudy and wet weather. Fresh northeasterly winds are forecast around the Wild Coast as well as East London.